When it comes to making a great cup of espresso, the quality of your coffee beans is absolutely essential. Not all coffee beans are created equal, and different types of beans will produce different results. If you're looking to make the perfect cup of espresso, here are some of the best coffee beans to use. We have Arabica coffee beans are the most popular type of coffee bean used for espresso. These beans are denser and have a higher sugar content than other types of coffee beans, giving them a sweeter flavor. Arabica beans are also less acidic than other coffee bean varieties, making them easier on the stomach. In addition to their flavor, Arabica beans have a higher caffeine content than other coffee beans, making them ideal for espresso. Next is Robusta coffee beans. Robusta coffee beans are a type of coffee bean that is often used for espresso. These beans are known for their strong flavor and high level of caffeine. Robusta beans are typically grown in Africa and Brazil, and they make up about 30% of the world's coffee production. While Arabica beans are the most popular type of coffee bean, Robusta beans are often used for espresso due to the strong flavor and high caffeine content. If you're looking for a strong cup of coffee, Robusta beans are a good option. Finally, we have espresso blends. Espresso blends are created by mixing different types of coffee beans together. This can create a balanced cup of espresso with complementary flavors. Blends are often designed specifically for espresso machines, so be sure to check the label before you buy. Ultimately, the best coffee beans for espresso are going to be personal preference. Experiment with different types of beans to find the flavor profile that you like best. Then, once you've found your favorite, you can stick with it and enjoy perfect cups of espresso at home every time. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel. Comment your thoughts down below and share this video to a coffee lover friend.